Yeah, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to discuss about one function in the GL application. The function name is auto journal reversal criteria set. So what it is and when to use and how to use. So auto journal reversal criteria set can be used for reversal of the accrual entries at the month end, or when you open the next period, those accrual entries has to be reversed automatically without any user intervention. So for that, we can use this functionality. So this basically should work based on the your category of the journals. What kind of category you are going to pass in the entries. Based on that, we can choose this function. So now we'll go to demonstrate this functionality. What are the prerequisite setups are needed and how to configure those things. At what level this configuration needs to be enabled. And then we'll see one use case also. And side by we can see, is there any approvals are needed? Let's say example, if a client is using approvals also. So when you reverse the accrual entries, either those entries has to be go for approval or not. So this all the cases we'll see in the demonstration session. So what are the prerequisite setups are needed? So first you need to create general reversal criteria set and assign it to ledger level. Okay, so you need to enable at ledger level, and also there is one more checkbox will be available, that is auto reverse after open period. So this is very powerful checkbox which needs to be enabled or not enabled. So this can be decided by business users or your business at the time of implementation. And what is the business use case? Says that reversal accrual of accruals or any other category of the entries on the first day of every month or last day of the every month. So in that case, what we need to perform? Identify general category at the general reversal criteria set level. So this is the configuration which already given here. Let's get into application to perform use case. Once you log into application, go to setup and maintenance page. General ledger, all tasks, general reversal criteria set. So this is the page where we can configure general reversal criteria sets. So since it is a demo instance, there are many of the things already been created by Oracle. So if you want to create your own specific reversal criteria set, then you can go and click on plus symbol and we can configure the rules. So this all the categories inbuilt, which is already given by Oracle as a seeded. If you have any kind of custom categories which already you've been defined, those things we can display from here. Okay, since already we are using the existed one which is available, let me take it out. Primary, yes, primary ledger. Click on edit. So this is already been configured. So as I mentioned, these are the categories coming from the general category page where already we are seeing about it. Okay, so now reversal period. Which period the accrual entries needs to be reverse? So there are multiple methods are there, which I would say here. Next day, next non-adjusted adjusting period, and next period, and default same day and same period. So there is no point like we can use these things and all same day, same period, and these things and all, because when you're passing accrual entries, the purpose is that to accrue the amount which is not going to be actual expenses for the current month. So those things will be reversing in the next month of the first day. So that is how the business process will works. So now select as the next day. When you select next day, One second. Let me open token sign. So in our case, I have selected as a manual. The category is a manual. I selected as a next period. Next period. When I select next period under the reversal period, automatically the reversal date will display. Under reversal date, we have three options in the list of values: first day, last day, and next day. So it means that when I select as a next first day, so the system would look at your period open. When somebody is going to open the period, the system automatically will trigger the auto reversal job and reverse all the eligible reversal entries. So if you select as the last day, so it will wait for until the last day of the month and trigger the program automatically without any having manual intervention, or next day. So based on that, it will trigger the program to reverse the journals. So in the our use case, I am taking as a first day of the month. Reversal method, either it would be change a sign or switch debit or credit, vice versa. And this is very important point. In interview also they may ask the question, says that like, if you want to post automatically or reverse only. So here we have two options. One is reverse automatically, sorry, reverse, yeah, reverse automatically and reverse and post automatically or none. So if you select as only reverse automatically, the system would act to reverse the automatically which are the entries are eligible to be reversed. Then manually the business users should go back and review the reversal entries and then they can post entries again. So that is again, they should require some kind of manual intervention. And reverse and post automatically. When you select reverse and post automatically, the system would able to identify all the list of eligible journal entries can be reversed and then post automatically into GL application. So always like, the business users should go for the second option, reverse and post automatically. So once you are identify these, all the setups are correct, and then click on save and close. But here I select only category of manual. In your use cases, you can take any of the other categories also based on the business requirement. But this is the way we have to configure the setups. Save and close. So now we created reversal criteria set. So what is the next setup? Go back to PPT, we'll see that. See here, assign it at ledger level. Come back. Setup is navigation is same, general ledger, and here is see specify ledger options. Click on hyperlink. Come down. So under intercompany and reversal, here you can see reversal. Under the reversal, it is saying as a general reversal criteria set. So here we can choose whatever we configure the setup. So here we can see all the list of values that is coming from the your setup, because we have plenty of them. So in the real time scenarios, we would be getting only what we created only. So here already, since already assigned that US primary ledger, so the system would able to understand what are the configuration set under the reversal criteria set. It will take the consideration to reversal those things which are the category eligibles, and run auto reverse after open period. So this checkbox will make a lot of sense, saying that when I select this checkbox, the system will not wait for you to like, run the job. The moment somebody go and open the period of next month, so system will trigger automatically this program and reverse the entries and post into GL. We'll see in the next 1 minute. And this is synchronize reversal between primary and secondary ledgers. If you want to enable, the reason being, if you want to reversal the primary ledger entries to your secondary ledger also, when your somebody is using the secondary ledger as well as the reporting purpose, then we would enable this as well as to reverse all the accounting entries which is being reversal in the primary ledger as so. Okay, so now this is the second setup. Save and close. So now let's try to perform your business use case. Enter one journal entry. Since we are using approvals for journals, so we'll see that how it works for us. Vision test journals. So let me select June 2025. So I have access for across all the ledgers what we have. So select category as a manual and give the GL strings. Select any of the code combination here, but in the real time, they'll pass the right accurate information on the GL strings, giving as a $150 something or $50. Copy paste same GL strings for line 2 as well. Give the $50 and save. So here notice approval status is required, batch status is unposted, completion status is incomplete. Now click on complete and trigger for approvals. Batch action, under batch action you can see request approval. Click on that. Now the system will initiate for the approval purpose of this journal. Yes. So cancel it here. Wait for some minutes because I already enabled approvals for journals as a auto approved by my reporting manager or my line manager. So, so if you want to see that how it will get auto approved or assigned to the right line manager or not, for that also we can go back and look at the transaction tools, transaction console. Status is complete or incomplete. See here, vision test journal. It is still in progress state. So if you open it, see it is approved automatically by my line manager. So this is how we can see this is not only for journal, it is applicable for like AP invoices also. If somebody is initiated for approval, those people can directly come here. They can look at that either that is being assigned to right approvers or not. We can see from this page. Now go back to main screen, journal, task panel, manage journals. Which one we posted? 6th. So what is the value? 50 unposted. Select it and click on post batch. So now we created entry. This is the actually we can call as a original entry what we created. Now as per the setup auto reversal. So I did not make any changes at present to auto reversal, right? So let's see how this will be reverse automatically. So which I mentioned that there is a checkbox which we enabled at the ledger level is this is the one auto reverse after open period. Now let's go back to task panel and we see that accounting entry has posted to GL or not. Search $50. It is posted here. So we can see there another entry got created because they are using multiple ledgers here. I mean, it's a secondary ledger likewise. So now try to open the periods. Click on period close. First go to RC, reporting currency ledger, and open period for July month. See here, July is still closed, or sorry, I mean to say feature enterable. So let me select and click on open period. So it got triggered. So now we have to open period for across all the related ledgers. See here, we can see uh, US RC and IFRS and also US primary ledger. Now let me open to secondary ledger. Click on open, cancel it, and open for finally US primary ledger. Select, click on open. Now go back to schedule jobs to validate either auto reverse job is triggered or not triggered. Go to application, schedule process, refresh. Notice here the moment when you click on open period, it got triggered and succeeded. See here, auto reversal journal program got triggered automatically and reversed. It got it like I mean to say it got triggered the program here automatically without any manual intervention. So now you see here again post journals. It means that as part of the our setup and configuration, we selected as a reverse and post automatically option we have selected over there, right? So that is what it is doing now. So click on refresh, succeeded. So, so this is how we can see the journals will get automatically reverse and post, which are the eligible transactions. See here, it got posted here also. So now click on this job and look at the report. Text. So here you can see that there is one batch got reversed in the month of July. Cancel it. So go to application again to look at that. Task panel, manage journals. Select July, search. See here. So always make a note of it. Once the entries will get reverse, the batch name will get start with the reverse word, reverse, and then the batch name will come. So here you can see that automatically created the reversal entry and posted into GL. See here. Approval is not required for reversal entries. This is how the system word works as per the Oracle standards. Posted, right? So this is how we can configure the journal reversal criteria set. Yep. Thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe and share and like. Thank you.